Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the fuel injectors, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, we'll talk about that. Also, we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. Fuel injectors, fuses, relays. Before you guys replace fuel injectors, always check the fuses, test them, relays as well. Another thing, guys, if you want to see how to test fuel injector, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels, how to do that, how to replace one as well. We'll show you where you can expect to find the fuses and relays on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us to save even more money. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, guys, facing the engine. On the right side here, this is the driver's side. You see you have the brake fluid reservoir. On the right side of it you have a fuse box. Here you have a clip, here as well. Squish it together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here, guys, we need to check multiple fuses, relays. Those are for engine management, fuel injection system. Which one exactly it is, it's hard to tell, but if you have problems with that component, always check these fuses, guys. Starting here, you need to always start with fuse number 20, right here. Fuse number 20. Then after 20, you go to 21. Check that fuse, guys, here. Next, fuse number 37, fuse number 38. These two fuses. After that, we need to locate, guys, fuse number 41 and 42. These two fuses next to each other as well. After that, fuse 52. Very important fuse. Fuse 46. That's very important fuse right here for the fuel pump control module that's responsible for many functions, guys, of the fuel system. And fuse 53, which is under the relay right here, that 10 fuse. Also, you have a relay 66 that you need to check here, and relay 68 right here as well. Those are the main fuses, relays that we check when we have problems with that sensor. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.